Hey guys, my name is Juliana Palencia, aka JeweJeweBee, and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you my highly requested updated hair routine because I've been getting lots of questions on YouTube and Instagram of what I've been using. And so stay tuned if you want to see how I go from this to this. So my hair started out really dry and just frizzy. So the first step, of course, is to thoroughly wet and rinse my hair. Because my hair was so dry and it felt really brittle, I'm going to use the condition wash condition method using the Herbal Essence Hello Hydration. And this is where I condition my hair first before I shampoo or cleanse it. And this step just helps to moisturize my hair because cleansers and shampoos tend to dry out my hair. So I want to protect my ends while I'm cleansing just to make sure that I'm causing the least amount of damage as possible. And then next I'm taking my Creme of Nature Moisture and Shine shampoo. And I love this shampoo. Creme of Nature honestly have some of the best cleansers to me because they are really like moisturizing and very slippery, and they don't make my hair feel completely stripped. So I focus this on my roots and especially my edges because I use lots of gel there. And then after, I take it down the length of my hair to get rid of the product buildup, and I do this little like massaging motion to try to loosen any products that I have on my hair. So then when I wash the shampoo out, I'm going to also wash out any product buildup. That was a mouthful. Right here, I'm just rinsing all of that out of my hair, and now I'm left with soft curls that are cleansed but not feeling stripped at all, but it's still tangled up. So now I'm going to condition my hair using the same conditioner as before. This is the Herbal Essence Hello Hydration, and I use lots and lots of conditioner just to make sure that my hair is super moisturized and very slippery for the detangling process. So right now I'm just sectioning off my hair so that I can start detangling. So this next step is something new but super helpful to my routine. It's adding a lighter but super slippery conditioner on top of the regular thicker conditioner. And right here I'm using the VO5 conditioner, which is like 99 cents, so it's really affordable. And this makes detangling easier. My finger and the brush that I use just glide through my hair, and it's something that I've been loving lately. So right here I'm using the Txture Pro paddle brush, I think that's what it's called, and you guys know I always finger detangle first, and I sometimes use a detangling tool, and I'll twist my hair afterwards. So next I'm moving on to the next section where I take that same VO5 conditioner and use that to finger detangle my hair. And then the next step, of course, is to use the Txture Pro paddle brush and to thoroughly detangle my hair and to get out all of the smaller knots, and then just twist my hair up and move on to the next section. Then the final step in the shower is to rinse my hair, and I'm not rinsing all of the conditioner out, just around 90% of it, and I also left the twist in my hair as well. So the next step is on to leave-in conditioners and stylers, and I'm first going to start off with using the Long and Luxe Curl Enhancing Smoothie, and this is really moisturizing. It makes my hair feel so soft, and it also has loads of slip. And I'm not going to take a lot of this because I'm going to be using 2 more products. So this product is just to moisturize my hair and to make it feel soft. So after applying my leave-in conditioners, I like to use a bit of a heavier and creamier product, and I'm going to be using the ORS Hydrating Hair Butter, and this is almost like a shea butter consistency where I have to warm it up in my hands to liquefy it. This is the product that extends my wash and go. It really helps my wash and go to last and adds weight to my hair, or else if I don't add a thicker and heavier product, my wash and go will last like 24 hours. So this next product is the Souffle, the Aura Souffle, and this is a gel installer, and this is just going to add definition and hold to my hair so that I have the moisture but I also have a bit of hold. And I also love that product because it doesn't have a tendency to flake up with thicker products, which a lot of gels do. Like, I'll be left with like white residue, but as you guys can see, I don't have any white flakes or residue on my hair, even though I use 3 different products. This next clip is the next morning after my hair is completely dry, and after my hair was 100% dry, I put it into these stretching buns, and I'll leave a link to that tutorial, and it really helps to stretch out my hair and to elongate my curls a bit. And I use this method almost every single time that I wash my hair to stretch out my curls. And then next, I'm going to fluff out my hair and pick it. Picking is my new favorite thing. Actually, it's not so new, but I didn't use it for like the first few years of being natural. But I love it now because I can get like super voluminous hair on day 1. But I also make sure that I don't overpick it, because if I do, my hair will be really frizzy. It'll only last for like 1 day. So here are the final results for this wash and go. I really love how these products make my hair really soft and moisturized, but still have some definition and volume. So guys, if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!